Guys, I have the new 2025 TrailSport here. I absolutely love this car, but there is a problem. And if you have a wife, you probably have this problem. She has one of these new, latest, greatest, brightest, shiniest Stanley cups. That's the cup where it's thin on the bottom and then it gets broad at the top. Here's what happens, men. Okay, see this cup? Yeah, it's Cheetah. It's Buc-ee's. See how thin it is on the bottom? When you have this even halfway full and you're driving, okay, it's too much weight. This is what takes place. Bang, bang, bang. You're always reaching over, you're grabbing it, or your wife's. And if you have two of these, it's a nightmare. Here's what we have from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. See this? This fits it precisely. This is thick medical grade silicone, okay? Kind of like a soft rubber. This goes in there and look at it. I mean, it fits perfectly. This thing is absolutely genius. I am just crazy surprised that Honda did not incorporate that into this vehicle. Now, look at this. You don't even hear it anymore. Yes, it still wobbles a little bit, but it's not metal on plastic. And because there's a little bit of thickness here, it holds it that much more. I am so satisfied, so happy with this insert. I mean, it just is a game changer if you have the Stanleys or you have anything that's like this. And this seems to be the latest trend. And again, Honda can't keep up with this stuff, and they probably didn't realize that this is top heavy. And when you're going around a corner, boom, boom. If you have something that's not like this, okay, the tensioners here, they can hold the weight. But when you have this much weight over the cup holder, it's going to bang. But look at this, even if it bangs, you can't hardly hear it. It's not coming loose. And again, here, I'm trying to do this. Let me pull it out, show you again what takes place if you don't have this. See what I mean? Bang, 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 bang. I don't like it, but I do love this. Highly worth it. I think it was like 18 bucks, 17 bucks. They have little specials from time to time. I'll put a link in the description. I absolutely love it. And my wife, she can have the Cheetah Buc-ee's cup anytime she wants in the new vehicle. Ow! All right, thanks, guys. Peace. I love ya. Remember, Buc-ee rules.
Hey, guys, you ought to get yourself one of those. I'm not talking about the silicone sleeve. I'm talking about the Cheetah Buc-ee glass. Only sold at Buc-ee's. No link required. Make sure you get the burrito, too. 7 layers of meat, cheese, potato, and it's healthy. A beaver would never lie to you.